if we do model-based development, do we still need to write requirements, or can maybe the Simulink model replace the requirements? My name is Markus Gros from Berlin, Germany, and I could not imagine a better person to talk about this. Welcome, Nabile from Paris.
Thank you, Markus.
So, what do you think? Where does this desire to stop writing requirements come from?
Well, first of all, everybody wants to be more efficient and fast, and since the development projects are becoming more and more agile, it seems convenient to just change the model whenever you have a brand new idea. Also, Spice talks about an artifact called detailed design, which sometimes people say that this is the model being an executable specification. But one big question is that where do the test cases come from?
Yeah, right. And the easy answer would be that we just generate them automatically. I mean, if the model behavior is the reference, correct by definition, so to say, we can generate tests automatically for full structural coverage, and then, as described in the ISO 26262, perform a back-to-back test, model, code, object code, and then we are through, right?
True, but how do we know that the model behaves correctly? Plus, if you look into the ISO 26262 standard, requirement-based testing on the software unit level is mandatory for all AC levels.
Yeah, well, and I think we have to distinguish now between two different types of requirements. In many projects, especially when handwritten code was involved, people were writing textual white box requirements. We could say pseudocode, all right? And then every mathematical operation of a function is described, and then people have a sum block in the Simulink model, and they start writing a test case to see if 1 + 1 makes 2. And I see why this is often considered to be a little bit redundant and useless.
True. Yeah, so in the end we should focus on the black box requirements, which mainly describe the desired behavior on the input and on the output, but without describing every little detailed implementation in the requirements. Huh?
Yeah, I think it's a good conclusion. So with model-based development, we might stop writing white box requirements, but still have the black box requirements, which describe the behavior on the interfaces and which serve as a reference for the development of the model, and also as a reference for the software unit tests, right?
Right, sounds like plan, yeah.
Okay, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube for more videos.
Thank you.